Okay, we're in the woods at Horns Hill, Trick 9.7. I don't know if you can hear that. It is pouring rain. I'm on the lower section of the playground. It's kind of fun to ride in the canopy here. We're getting a little wet. GoPro might get a little water on the screen. Oh, these are the open areas. Rain's coming in. Gotta get back in the woods. There we go. Little protection for the canopy. I don't know if you can see very good or not. Horns Hill. We are getting wet today. Just like a little kid out riding in the rain. Oh, you can hear it. Trick Rail 9.7, Horns Hill, 2 big thumbs up.